Good morning. Heading out of Boiling Springs onto the AT. And day two, we're going to head up to where we were the other day, Center Point Knob. This is going to be a little easier. We hopefully won't break any trekking poles today.
Yeah, well.
It's about, what's it, almost 9.
I have the other guy's trekking poles, and poor old man has a stick.
I got my cool walking stick though with all my badges on it. All right, let's see what adventure befalls us today. So for hikers coming through, they head out this way, and that's the official campground. And the first couple miles is going to be through some fertile farmland. You do get used to having that second trekking pole though. Don't feel bad. Looks like we're heading out into the desert. Moses, here's your staff, and there's your kingdom. The Great Plains. Right through the swarm of bugs. I don't know if they're biting bugs though. Give you a view of what we're walking through. It's not windy yet. Wind's supposed to pick up today, but we could use a little wind to get those bugs out. Lisa don't like bugs, so I could see them. They're kind of in a big cloud, so you can walk past them. All right, right now we're walking through a farm field. Not very exciting. We'll get back to you. It's simple yet effective. Gets you out of the swampy swamp. Good morning.
Really nice weather.
Oh, it's nice. No wind right now.
Yeah, that feels good, huh?
Yeah. So you're going down the road.
No, yeah, down there.
Going into the woods. And rocks. Lisa's favorite. I always wondered, they couldn't cut out a bigger chunk?
Are they really?
Yeah, either breeders or
Really?
release dogs. Yeah, they're great. They've also
Hey, Poochie.
possible watering hole.
Yeah, there you go.
No,
Oh, he'll stay in there all
Yeah,
day
we're gonna
long.
have to check.
it's a mud puddle.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Here, here, somebody come behind you. Don't move.
He's had enough. He's getting out.
Really? Do I have to?
Watch out, Joe.
Here he comes.
I guess that's it straight ahead of us up there hill. This is easy country. I had a feeling when we get to the end, it's going to be straight up.
2 miles.
2 miles,
33 minutes a mile.
according to the iWatch.
This one took 33 minutes.
33 minutes. Well, we stopped.
28.
We stopped and talked to the dogs.
We did talk to the dog.
Starting our climb, the Center Point Knob. It's nice and gradual. Trees are starting to green up. Sun is out. Wind didn't pick up yet. Supposed to go up into the 70s today. So hopefully we'll be up and back before it gets too warm. We're still going. The sun is out, it's warming up. There's no wind. Except for once in a while, there's a little breeze, like right there. Cooled you off. I think we're getting close. We got signage. Cool. Look up.
Oh my God.
Well, this was 10 times easier than yesterday.
100%. Probably a little box. Woo! Look at that. We did it.
Mike's where we hiked that quicker,
Oh, for sure.
because we didn't have to rock scramble.
100% we did. It said it takes between an hour and a half and 2.5 hours. I think we did about an hour and a half.
We found the wind.
And the wind is a blessing.
And then you turn here.
Head to those death rocks, as they're known by. Woohoo!
Ooh, time for a peanut chew. And water.
And water. Oh yeah, that was 1,000 times easier. Woohoo! Good job, honey. We can officially mark it off. Boiling Springs, Center Point.
We did it.
We did it. I'm a bougie.
You got the countryside.
Yes, we did it. I'll take the water first. Oh, I love the breeze. Oh, finally.
Yeah, it was warming up.
It was, I think, going down when I took my sweatshirt off.
Trail magic. Peanut chews. We did it.
We did it.
And we went here twice now. So we section hiked the AT from Boiling Springs to Center Point Knob. Our reward.
And our sponsor today is Goldenberg Peanut Chews
An aqua peanut.
from Philly. Bye for now. Say goodbye, George.
Goodbye, George. We've actually got chilly up here because you got a little sweat going. I can feel it on my back.
Women don't sweat.
This is the part
We
I
bleed.
worry about with my shoulders, getting the pack on. You know why? Because I tighten the shoulders. I should have loosened the straps to take it on. Because I won't be able to have a heavy pack at all because my shoulders.
See, that's why you're a day hiker. Because then you don't have to have a heavy pack.
Yeah, be slack packing the whole trail.
Whatever that is.
That's where you leave all your stuff at the hostel and then you hike